What's going on? Where are we? There we are. What's up, Cal? The boy, the play, wizard. Wizard, are you actually here? I think you've been logged in all day, so I'm not sure if you're actually here or not. I'm going to assume no. It's really interesting that when I did this survey of what time to run this stream, like most of the replies were at this time, yet no one seems to be showing up at this time. So we'll see how this progresses. The boy, the play. How's it going tonight, my friend? Cal, how is your JavaScripting coming along? You learning it? Why did that not go in there? Where did it go? Do 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 do. Midnight Aaron, what's going on, buddy? Let me get this up out the way. So I can look at that from a distance. All right. How's it going tonight? Phone's good. Check. It's 9:01. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just start digging into this. Unless anybody has any questions, comments, or anything like that. So what I've done is I pulled the sprites off the web. I basically doubled the size of everything, so it's not running at quite a low resolution. So I'm just going to set up my grid here to, I think 32 is actually what I want. I'm going to bring this map sprite in just to have as a background to use as a guide. Something like that. And let's go ahead and put it on layer 1 so I can hide it if I need to. All right. What's going on, Imaginary Man? How are you tonight? So basically, I guess what I'll do real quick is for those of you that don't know New Rally X, I will go ahead and play it for just a sec so you kind of get an idea of what we're dealing with. So this is New Rally X. So you're this little car. It's kind of Pac-Man-ish. Except these guys follow you. So you can shoot the smoke out at them. And it kind of stuns them for a bit. But your goal is to collect all these flags. And there's those lucky flags that give you a bonus of how much fuel you have. So this is basically the gist. Got me, buddy. And that's that level completed. So that's a New Rally X. Got that out of the way. Find my mouse. There we go. So that's New Rally X. That's what it looks like. That's what we're going to attempt to deconstruct and reconstruct. And we'll see how it goes. Caraxis22, how are you, my friend? Thank you, thank you. Catchy tune, yes. So what I've done is I have my layout set up. Like I said, basically I took the sprites and I doubled their size. So I have my layout set up. My view is double the original arcade size, which I believe was 336 by 240. So that's pretty much where I have. I'm just working on the layers right now. I'm gonna leave those alone. This picture here is just for a guide. I'm probably gonna go ahead and use a tile map for the tiles. Most likely, anyways. So yeah. Pack racing, yes. So let me just name this guide. So now a couple of unique things about this, and I'm gonna keep I'll just use Notepad for this. Just a kind of running list of things to watch out for is the sprite has animations for turning, so we're not going to actually use the rotate sprite. So sprite has turning animation. It's a 4-direction game, but it doesn't just turn in 4 directions. So when you start to press to the right, it'll actually show the animation of turning to the right, even though you can only go right. So it's kind of got this weird, like, floaty feel to it. Those are two things that pop out just off the top of my head. So we'll keep that minimized. I don't know. I haven't really been on today. Is it just this evening thing? That's kind of weird. But yeah, I see that too. Maybe they're updating them or something. So I'm going to throw in a... Where the heck is my tile background? There we go. Tiled background. I'm going to use this... I thought I had pulled out just the orange. Did I not? Let me go do that real quick. Oh, there it is. Orange. orange. So let's grab just... Seriously, are you messing with me tonight, Photoshop? Yes, yes you are. Photoshop likes to do this to me some nights. I'm not sure what its deal is. There we go. Orange. Orange. Yeah. Power of 2, whatever. Actually, it's just one color. I could probably just change the... I just change the background of that color. That might be easier. Let's do that. What's it doing? All right. So we've got 255, 150, 271. 255, 150, 271. Ever notice that you can't type RGB values in here? Like, you can't type in a comma. Like it... I mean, what is... I don't understand what it wants in here. Cow, do you know? Can you type in values? I always have to go into here, go to other, go to, so go to custom, and then I can type in the values. It's so weird. 152.71. Can't do it for colors. Okay, no, whatever. Okay, so there's my background. Let me get a little more comfy here. Yeah. Ashley Logic. That's funny. I think I'm going to use a tile map. Oh, we got a couple folks in here. Let's get you guys moved over here. Mubo 144. How is it going? Tile map. I believe it's 48 by 48. Yeah. So actually I need to do this. 48 by 48. Is it going to change it? Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't know. I think the issue with the doubles popping up is still there. It's just not creating the doubles anymore. So, since it's not creating the doubles anymore, I haven't really dug into it because it's not a big concern. So, okay, we need 4 rows of these. I've never, I'll be honest, I have rarely used the tile map in Construct 2. So, if I'm doing anything wrong or you have ideas of doing stuff better, let me know. Because, like I said, I have rarely used it. And I am looking on a map just to kind of draw out this level. So, nice. Congrats. Puzzle Gamer, how's it going, my friend? Come on over here. Well, maybe the duplication is not fixed. Oops, I just deleted Oops. I'm deleting everybody. Alright, I guess I'll need to fix that, huh? One sec. Let me full screen that guy back up. Alright, that's cool. Alright. Spread you guys out a little bit. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to stop messing with that. Oh, I see. I see. Well, luckily, anything that that's why I want to do I did the background separate because it's not going to be solid, but the tile map is going to be solid. Now, I guess that is the question. Do you give the entire tile map the solid behavior? I'll deal with that when I get to it. That's not too bad. Let's see. I need to do... I don't think so. I think arcades are dead. I mean, they're not dead in Japan. They're just in the U.S. They're dead because people don't care to commune anymore and play games together. They would rather play online with a headset. Whereas in other countries, they still like that community and that face-to-face competition. So arcades are very strong in places like Japan. But I mean, VR systems they'll be just as good at home as in the arcades. And plus, it would be super expensive to buy probably arcade cabinets that are above and beyond. For arcades, they would never be able to make their money back. At least that's my thought. Why are you moving and not putting down sprites? What did I do? Okay. Oh, okay. Yep, it is sad. Definitely is sad. Is that what I want there? No, it's not. Oh, I should probably turn my guide back on. That would probably help a whole bunch. Oops. There we go. Let's try that again. So why is my guide not lining up with my anything else? There we go. All right, we're in business now. Yeah. Oh, the fun part of making games. Is there like a corner piece? No. Guess not. Yeah, they could be. I mean, take it from a guy that tried to own an arcade for a little while. It's a tough racket. Um, it's actually not bad. I did really well with birthday parties, which is one thing I think could actually still do well if I had the desire to stick with it. Is video game birthday parties actually did really well. Um, for really people of all ages. I had done some older birthday parties with all the old arcade stuff because at one point my arcade had about 25 arcade cabinets that I had restored. So, um, oops, wait, what do I want for this one? Uh, seriously, there's no tile for those middle ones. What the? What the? Everything's all messed up now. Huh. Well, that's weird. There has to be, right? Did I miss one? I don't see that I missed one. Alright, what am I missing here? Well, that's true. I could make my own tile. A Golden Tee had like an online leaderboard and stuff. Um you still see Golden Tees in like bars and stuff. All right, fine. So I am seriously going to have to make my own tile for this. Yeah. All right, fine. Fine. Where'd that go? There it is. Why are you so small? I made you small. You're still. What in the world's going on? Copy. All right, whatever. Be like that. Do 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 do. See, I have the song stuck in my head now too. Do 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 do. How many pixels is this guy? UHL noise? Is that? Am I reading that right? Welcome. Oops, I want to go down. Let's just do it the easy way. How did I not get all of that? Oh, I did. Okay. Really? There's pink showing though, isn't there? No, there's not. Does that look right? That doesn't look right. I had to put those on the... Oh, this is ridiculous. Draw a stupid. Stupid. Why do you keep pasting that? Oh, that's why. Are these not 48 by 48? What in the world? I feel like I'm totally missing something here. Anyways. Started saying at the same time. Alright, let me it looks right there. Da 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 da. Merge. Save. Will Construct 2 automatically update that? Or do I have to I have to reopen it, don't I? Did it recreate the whole thing? I think I do. Oh no, I can just do this. Alright. There. That didn't take too long, did it? That's why this is day 1. Alright. I'm learning how to tile map. Yay! I forget that tile maps are just sprites. So, like I said, have not used the tile map editor in Construct 2. So this should be rather exciting. I bet this is pretty fun to watch too, huh? Watching somebody tile map. I'm only going to do part of it for now, so I can actually do other stuff. I just want to get enough of it done Oops, to where I can drive my little buggy around. I've never used a tile editor, no. The tile map editor. I mean, I've played around with it, but I've never actually used it like in a game. Haven't ever had a need to, actually. I'm getting pretty good at it, though. Alright, I'm going to do this instead. This seems like it makes a whole lot more sense than what I'm currently doing, which is stupid. Yeah. That was way smarter. Oops, I missed one right there. Where you guys at? I guess for this stream, I could actually probably put on some music since I'm not really like doing any instructing as much as just hanging out and goofing off. I actually left my main break meter on too because I think I'm actually going to go ahead and take a main break for this stream. Oh, you're kidding me. I got to make another one. Can you rotate? Oops. Oh. Guess I gotta rotate it back. Later, buddy. Yeah, I think, let me see. In tiled, it's Z and C, but that's not what it is in here. It'd be good to have it on the tooltip, but oh well. Oops. I'm breaking away from my strategy. Let me find some Spotify or something to turn on. Is that like playing any music? Alright. Alright, that was maybe a little bit faster. What is that funky piece right there? Well, I'm not making that piece, so whatever. It's like a half a piece. That works for me. All right, that might be enough to get started at least. Yeah, I figure on this stream at least, since it's a little more casual, it works. I'm not talking like a whole lot. So, all right. So now, do I add solid to the entire tile map, or you can't add it to individual pieces, right? I know they each have their own collision mask. Oh. Where'd you go? Import. Number of horizontal cells. Well, why are they all whacked out?
Latex and steel, zeros and ones make up my sun. This world gave me
Okay.
no child, so
Construct.
I built one. Now I will cry for fear that he may lose this fight.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I would normally do, but in this case, I don't. It's not that big of a deal. So why aren't my sprite strips coming in right? There are 12 of them. I thought that was going to be easy. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
They call you hero, I call you my son. They call you hero, I call you.
You gonna make me separate these?
Bones will break, skin will burn on this human. Lives will end, fear will rule if nothing is done. My sins you fight.
Oh, they are off.
I made you will make right.
Huh. Well, that's annoying. Oh, I know why. Because Photoshop, like when you copy and paste with a transparent background, Photoshop likes to not bring in the transparency when you create a new. Seriously? When you create a new file with it. So I think that's why it was off by 1. Arcade games. LAX. Yes. Let's try that again. Import from sprite sheet. Car blue. There we go. Yeah. Not sure how I need to separate this out yet. It's gonna be based on directions, but for now, just get my car in here. What did I just do? I just drew on the tile map. What is that one I couldn't find? All right, we got our racer. So, tile map, we're gonna add solid. And then for him, for now, let's use the 8 direction, but only go in. Four directions. What's up, Cracks? How's it going, buddy? So that should at least get him moving. Oops, he needs some scroll too, doesn't he? Man, it's been a little while since I actually worked in a game in Construct 2. Scroll. Wow, 2 Querix back to back. That is weird. Let's see. What was I doing? Oh, scroll 2. Whee! Look, it plays just like the original. So awesome. I do not want to set angles. Debugger will be quite a ways off. What I'm doing is Tuesdays, I'm kind of doing I'm hitting a few topics, which will be like the debugger and optimization. I think will be the next one. And then Thursdays, what I do is I pick a classic arcade game, and then I kind of deconstruct it and reconstruct it in Construct 2 over several streams. So that's what I'm doing today, day 1 of New Rally X. So then again, next Tuesday is when I will do the topics. That's an interesting point, Cracks. That could be a thing. I don't know. I don't know why the doubles. They're pretty easy to fix now, so I'm not super worried about it. So yeah. So let's see. Okay. So we're good now. Okay. Let's get, one of the other things that this game does is it automatically turns for you when you hit a wall. And you can't stop, so it's constantly moving. And I believe it always turns you to So if you're driving, it always turns you to the right when you hit a wall. I was testing that earlier. I may need to test it more later, but... So, can you guys read this? I made the font a little bit bigger. So hopefully you can read it. So let me know if that's at least a readable. If not, I can make it a little bit bigger. I guess we should probably name our sprite, huh? Actually, I need... Let's see. Let's name him. Player. So, he's always going to be moving, so I'm going to have to have... It's going to be easier just to have a direction. Flexi10, welcome my friend. Glad you can make it. You can't read it still. Okay, let me try to make it a little bigger. Oops. How about that? Is that readable? I don't think another font will help. But hopefully that is... I'm looking at my my exploit and it looks like it's better now. So let me know if that's better. Let's see, I need to add a keyboard. How long I'm gonna be able to do this for driving nuts. Okay, cool. So what I'm doing here is I'm just I want to set the direction of my player. When I press the key, holy cow, it makes those big too. That's hilarious. I did make it a. I didn't make it a... Let me make this bigger too, so you can't really see that. Made it text, right? Okay. I didn't realize that it defaulted it to a 0. Oops. Actually, let me do, I'm going to shrink this a little bit because it's going to drive me nuts. And how's that? Is that better? Don't have all the cool arcade stuff, but can you see what's going on better? Later, Querix. Have a good one, man. Let me know if this is better or if you would prefer it bigger and then you see the arcade stuff. I don't mind it either way. I can work with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and group this. So, because I'm going to run out of room very quickly at this font. Full screen was much better. I can do that. Only problem is I don't have the chat on here, if that matters. Oops. Anyway, okay. We'll stick with here. I don't need the chat. Looks fine with the increased font. Alright, let's try it this way for this stream, and then I'll look it over when it's done and adjust as needed. Okay. So yeah. So every tick. Simulate control of up. Let's just do this way. Who needs functions? And one nice thing about kind of doing these games one week and then teaching something kind of after, the Tuesday after, is I can actually use this game. Like say I'm doing functions for one, then I can actually use this game to show how to go in there and create a function, or show how functions work by creating one to do something like the controls. Let's see, will that work? That's pretty good, except if I hit up while going up. So I need to do the it's actually got that little bit of a sway that the original has too, which is kind of cool. So, okay. So we need to do a collision check depending on our direction as well. So we got our controls. I'm actually going to plop this into controls as well. So let's see, add event, player. On collision with tile map. How does the collision with the tile map work? Does it determine each one of these blocks as kind of a separate collision? So if I do like if player.y is greater than tile map.y, then set direction. Does it work like that? Okay. So it's kind of like if you drew this all out and then made your own kind of collision masks out of invisible sprites or whatever. Okay. So that works. Sort of. It's going to take some cleaning up, but... Thing is, too, I need to kind of move it in a grid. Because he can't be like floating around it. Some weird pixel amount or this weird stuff's going to happen. Why did it... Did something weird there. I might want to do an offset and not just not just a collision with. So yeah, we'll clean that up as we go. Is overlaying at offset Y. I guess you wouldn't need that anymore, would you? No. Alright. That's fun. Let's just try this out for these other ones. Hey, what's up, Crash? Join us over here, man. How are you doing tonight? Okay. I think I just basically have an idea for the basic AI as well. Why didn't you work? Oh, because you're hitting two at once. So I'm at offset negative X and negative Y. So yeah, I'm gonna have to add some other conditions in there. So that'll be fun. So let's see. Is overlapping at -8 and not overlapping at offset. Y -8. X -8. Turn right. Actually, if it's doing both, I want to turn right. Is that right? Let's at least fix this corner, and then I need to go back and... Huh. Is that not quite at -8, I wonder? It's overlapping time at offset -8 and X. Offset -8. Set direction to right. So actually, I need to do some checks in here of which direction the player is actually going to. Yeah. So I need to remap this out a little bit better. Is what I need to do. So basically, and this is really sad, but like write this out in code, it makes more sense to me, or at least like pseudocode. So, if going up and hit up, then turn right. Yeah. That's kind of what I need to do for all of these, at least to start with. I think that'll be a good starting point. Oops. If overlap, if overlapping time direction equals down. If I hit it at +8, then I'm going right. And left. Oh, I may actually have to use custom movement for this anyways, but for now it's always good to just kind of get basics. See what happens when it hits this corner this time. I'm going up, it should... Oh, okay, cool. Now. So we at least got that worked out. On the basic level. Question is, can I still control him though? Yeah, it's hard without. Without precision, it's hard to get into these little nooks and crannies right now. So that's alright. We'll work through that. I need to tighten this up quite a bit anyway. So, but we got basic movement down. He turns when he hits a wall. Let's figure out how to do his turning animation. So we have up, and then basically we have turning to the right and right, turning to down and down, turning to left and left, and then turning to up. So let's see what the best way to do this. So basically, I think each direction should be its own animation. interesting thing will be what happens in the game if you're going down and you press up, you basically turn. You turn all the way around, right? Let me fire the game up again real quick. And just take a look at this. I'll make sure I get these controls right. Wow, does the stream really get glitchy when I'm playing the game? Because on my screen it is. It's up, down, up. So basically he does a full turn. That's it, right? Does the stream get really choppy when I'm playing in there? That would be really weird, because I don't know why it would. Okay, so let's see. Let me think about this for a sec. No, it's good. Okay, so it's just on my screen that it does it. Okay. Phew. So you're driving, you're at frame 0. Basically, you push down, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press up, it's gonna go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Press left, it's gonna go 11, 10, 9. So we could almost do it like a clock. That's basically what it is. 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 0 is 12 again. Okay. Oh, by the way, when I'm not doing the Tuesday streams and I'm doing the Thursdays and the Sundays, which will be every once in a while, I am going to be doing giveaways and my main breaks and other fun stuff that I do on my regular daily streams when I get back to doing those. So if you go to my website, which is arcaded.tv, and register, when you earn quarters through the stream, you'll be able to use them for some special challenges on the website when the website gets going. I'm gonna be giving away some bigger prizes monthly, and I'm gonna be having like arcade high score challenges that you'll use your quarters to enter for that, and you'll be able to use them for other stuff. One of the other things is betting. When I do the main break, which you'll see here in about 7 minutes, that's what that clock countdown is. Over here, that's the main break. I do a main break every hour when I'm streaming, so you'll see that. You'll be able to bet, and I'll explain that more once that's fully implemented. But if you go to that website and at least register your username and Twitch name, you can go ahead and start giving out quarters. So that'll be cool. Anyways, so let's see. Let's go back to our controls. And on up arrow pressed. I feel like I need to have separate like animations for each one of these. So you need like an animation from down to up, an animation from left to up, an animation from right to up, from right to down, from right to left. Does that sound about right to anybody else? Anybody else have a better idea on how to do this? I know it would be easier just using the rotate command, but I'd much rather do it using the sprites. So I can't think of a better way to do it offhand besides creating an animation for each. From forward to reverse. Oh, so basically I would only have half as many animations. So I wouldn't need a left to right and a right to left. I could play one backwards. Yeah, I think that would work. Let's try the up to down first. Up to down. So that's basically gonna be 1 through 6, right? Yeah, okay. So 1 through 6. And how fast is this currently? Not very. Try 16. I think it'd be easier to have an animation for each change. An instance variable linked to the number of frames. Yeah. I mean, we could get like really deep and have I think this is going to be the easiest. Let's try it. Up to down. So if I press the down arrow and player's direction is currently up. Then player set animation to up to. Wait, doesn't it show animations now? Oh yeah. Up to down. Why didn't work? Why didn't that work? What did I forget? On D arrow, oh, because I'm setting direction to down, so of course that's not going to happen. I like that. I like that. And if we do the opposite here, if direction is down, set animation speed, no, set animation, yeah, speed to -16. I never tried it before. Does that work? No. So how do you do of animation backwards? Uh-oh, main break! Main break. Hey, Rage Paint Games. How you doing today, buddy? Just in time for a main break. Betting is not current. Well, betting currently does work, but nobody has any quarters probably, so there's not really a point in betting at the moment. Reverse the current frame. I thought it would be negative speed. You got quarters. I think you're the only one. So, I guess while we're here, we can test out betting. So, if you're registered on the website, you now have a quarter. Because I just gave a quarter to everybody. That's my quarters for all. If you want to bet, you can do exclamation mark bet, and then space, and then MAME. Last time I played 2 quarters. It doesn't save the score at time 0. Right. Yeah. Oh yeah, for the mini games, right. Yeah, this is different. This is every hour I do a main break where I pick a random main game and I play it, and then you guys can bet on how long you think I'm going to last in said game. So it's essentially like this: bet, MAME, and then how long you think I'll last. So something like that. I have no idea if it works. I haven't really tested it too much. But let me fire up the game. Right click. Hold on, my Cortana crashed again because Windows 10 and XSplit still don't like each other a whole lot. So let me fix that because stuff just starts getting buggy when that happens. Okay. So I do select random game. It is Space Fever. No idea what that is. No idea at all. There's the timer. Space Fever. Game select. Alright, this looks like a game select one, so we are going to cancel that one and start a new. Select random game. AFTOR. Nope. Nope. I thought I removed all the stupid casino games. Breakers. That sounds like it has some. Oh, it's a Neo Geo game. Okay, here we go. A minute 30. Huh. Yes.
Round 1. Fight!
Poison! He actually says poison. That's pretty awesome. Alright, I think your times are gonna be off here. Now normally you would have known. Dulcim is that you, yeah. I think I might do when I officially do this is maybe do a trial run of the game first, so you can get a better idea of how long you think I could last in it. Because obviously a fighting game you're gonna pick higher than minute 30 because just, I mean, the rounds take that long even if I'm horrible. Zoro! Poison! Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Want some poison? Dude, the recovery on that poison is retarded. He's got combos. Computer's got combos.
Round 2. Fight.
What? That was awesome. Alright, where's my other... Thunder, what? Yeah. I'm gonna hug you. I'm gonna hug you to death. Oh, I'm on a roll.
Round 3. Fight.
Oh, that's a good idea, Cal. No, he got me with his electricity. I'm gonna hug him now. Oh, my hug failed. Need to build meter. Oh, that was different. I didn't hug him that time. Oh, I lose. $325. So I don't even have a way to check to see who won at the moment. But based on the 2 bets, I would guess Aaron won. So, oops, I will give. Where's your whole name? Midnight Aaron. 2 quarters. All right, buddy. Anyways, that was fun. And hopefully I'll get to, I'm kind of trying to thin out that list so there's not so much random stuff on it. Best voice acting ever, yeah. Poison! Anyways, I guess I'm not going to worry about whatever we need to do for this. I'm just going to duplicate this and do down to up, and then basically do, actually I need a whole new set. I need that. Oh shoot, I need the up still too. Oh, I wish you could like copy a frame. Can you seriously not copy and paste a frame? You actually have to do this, huh? Okay. Wait, what happened to it? Okay. Alright. So I think we set this down to up now. I think that'll look pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's good. Duplicate, but that just adds it to that. That just duplicates it on that animation, right? That doesn't actually duplicate it to put on a separate animation. Duplicate just like adds it right here. There's not like a copy and then paste. You have to do it the way I did it, where you select it. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's just keep on with these. So up to right, right to up to left. So that'll pull our ups together. So from up to right will be those. And I think we want to set this one a little bit slower, because this is twice the frames, right? So this one we might have to actually want to set to 8. Hey, what's going on? Let me see if I can get this. Oleg Omirio. Ole. Yeah. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna call you A. Stitches and Smiles, how are you doing today, my friend? That is not what I wanted. Alright, so up to left is basically that, except that. Yeah. And again, that should be it at 8, I believe. I guess default really just needs to be that. So up to down, up to right, up to left. Right? I think those are looking pretty. Those are pretty good. Oops. Let's get the code in for those. That's good, man. I'm glad to hear it. So if my up arrow is pressed and I'm going down, if up arrow is pressed, actually, I want to go down to left arrow. Say up. Left is pressed, and I'm going up. I want to go up to left. And this also needs to be under there. Oops. And if my direction is up, right arrow pressed, I want to go up to right. Right? Well, that didn't work because of my stupid collisions. I should just try to get up over here. Okay. So if I'm going right and I hit up to right. So if I'm going up and I hit right. Okay. Yeah, that's right. That looks pretty good. Just need to get the rest of them in there, else it'll look all funky. Like that. I'm gonna try to get these done, I think, tonight. I think that'll be a good stopping point for tonight. So let's see. I need down to left and down to right. Stitches and Smiles, come on over here. And Izebs, welcome, my friend. Alright, so down to up is good. Down to left. Is going to be down. To left. And down to right. Will be down to yeah. Again, that needs to be 8. Alright, oops. So what else do we need? We got up to everywhere, down to everywhere. We need left to up. So basically the same thing for all of them. Left to up. Left to down. Left to right. Right to down. Right to up. And right to left. Okay. It seems like a lot of animations just for moving a car around. Just because I don't want to use the rotate. I want to use the animations, man. You gotta do it like they did it then. Right? Not really, but it's fun. Alright. Left to up. So we start out left and we go up. This is left to down, so we start left. And we go down. I will do a giveaway for another $10 store voucher on the Skira store at the end of tonight as well. I don't think this is going to take me too much longer. Probably won't do a high score challenge this time. I probably will just do a random select so I can show you guys how I do the random selects for giveaways as well. Left to right. So left to right is going to be left, up to right. And then this one will go at 16. And just a few more. This is right to down. So right. Right. That's not right, that's left. Left, right to right to down. There we go. By the way, when you're placing the tiles in the map, I think there's a shortcut to quickly rotate your tiles. I think it's C or X. Please give it a try. Yeah, I tried I tried CNX, I thought. But I'll give it a try as soon as I jump out of here. No. No, I think maybe for the bigger prizes, we might do that. But for the vouchers, no. I mean, if you're here, then yeah. But I think, you probably only need to win like one personal license. And I'll probably give those away maybe once a month. I'm not sure how I'm going to give those away yet, since they're a little bit of a bigger prize. So I'm still thinking about that. Right to up. Right to up. So I think these speeds need to be a little bit higher, but we'll try them like this. And then this is going to be right to left. So right. And then down. And then to left. Okay. Let me try what you were thinking with the tiles. Let me find that you can actually tell I'm rotating. So oh, it is CNX. Oh geez, what happened to my guy? Oh, I think I deleted him. So yeah, it is CNX. You know what? I might not have had the right tool selected before when I tried it. So thank you. Thank you. It's me, Tech. How's it going, my friend? My mouse is flipping out for my other computer there. My battery's dying on it. Anyway, so there we go. We got all those guys in there. Oh, we got some chat. Let's check this out. They're Construct 2 licenses that Skira gave me to hand out on the stream. Personal licenses for Construct 2. Okay, back to this mess here. So, if up arrow is pressed, so we're going to do a couple of these. And I'm going left, and I'm going right. So, up arrow is pressed, and I'm going left, and then I want to go left to up. Right, I want to go right to up. Right, so I'm going right already and I hit up. I want to do the right to up animation. Yeah. No. No, what you won earlier, Puzzle, was not weird. I was just testing out the betting system that I'm putting into place for quarters. For my main breaks. That's all that was. That was just a test. The way it's going to work with the quarters is I'm going to have a game made in Construct 2 that's like an arcade game that's based on high score. And then you can play that game from my website in order to win monthly prizes. For this stream, it'll be like the personal licenses. For my other stream, it'll be like retro consoles and stuff like that. But the catch is you have to use the quarters that you earn in the chat to play the arcade machine, just like a real-life arcade machine. So you need quarters in order to play it, and then get better at it and get the high score for that month. And then the game will probably rotate every couple of months. So the more you're in the stream, the better chance you have at winning quarters. And then betting, you can bet and win more quarters as well. So that's how the quarter system is working. So I'll try to make that a little bit more clear on the website. Omega MC, welcome. If you guys have not registered on the website yet, please go to arcaded.tv and go ahead and register username, password, and your Twitch name. It's real quick. It's real easy. And that way when I do hand out quarters on here, you will get them. Alright, so we'll kind of try to be ramping that up here in the next week or so. So hopefully that explains it a little bit better. I'll keep explaining it best I can in the coming weeks. Left to down and right to down. So down and then up, down, left, right, okay. Up and up, down, left, right. And left arrow needs down and right. And we want to go, if left arrow is pressed and I press down, I want to go down to left. And if it's right, I want to go right to left. And down to right. Right to left. Right. I think that sums that up. Let's see how we did. I'm gonna move this guy out of my collision mess right now. I think we're pretty good. Oh, my left to right is messy. Left to up, left to down, down to left, left. So just my left to right. What happened there? So if I'm going left and I press right, I want to set my animation from left to right. Not right to left. That's what I used up here. Left to, okay, yeah. I do want to speed up those animations just a smidge. All the three-parters. Let's do maybe like 10. Alright, I should probably save this at some point, huh? New Rally X. Alright, let's test that out one final time. Well, I have my rights and my lefts backwards. How did I manage that? On left arrow pressed, if I'm going right, then I want to go right to left. If I'm going left and I press the right arrow, I want to go left to right. There we go. I think that's pretty good. What do you guys think? think we nailed it pretty good. Yeah, I like that. That is a successful stopping point, I do believe. So we save that, and let's hit the chat real quick. Okay. All right, so in the chat, let's do a giveaway. I'm going to give away a $10 store voucher to the Skira store, courtesy of Tom and Ashley. They gave me a bunch to give out on this stream because they are awesome. So let's do it. This time I'm going to do a random select. And let me turn my music off because my random select is cooler. So here's how I randomly select a winner. And if it's one of me, then I'll redo it. Last man standing wins. It's all randomized. Who's left? Keyraxis 22. You are the winner, my friend. I will send you... Are you still here, Keyraxis? That's the first question. If you are, shout out in the chat. If you're not, we'll do another run. But if you are still here, shout out in the chat right now. Let me know you're here so I can send you the voucher on Twitch. So, Keyraxis, if you're here, hello. So yeah, it doesn't look quite as cool when there's only a handful of people here, but when there's like 20 in there, it's pretty cool. Oh, there you are, buddy. All right. I am going to... Can I message right from here? Oh, I can. I did not know you could do that. Oh, that's just a whisper. I don't want to whisper it to you. So I am gonna. You'll get a message on Twitch. Let me turn off my green screen real quick, so you guys can't see what I'm doing. I'm going to send you a message on Twitch. It might show up in your other messages, but you'll get a message from me that will give you the code. So I'm doing that right now before I forget. New message to Keyraxis 22, $10 gift voucher. I can't spell voucher. And yeah, let me get that fired up. So you will claim this on the Skira store. So that is sent. You should have that, my friends. Yeah. And that's 2 of those gone. Congrats, buddy. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. You don't have a character. Hey, mainstreams, welcome. Well, I am sorry about that. I'm not sure why that would have happened. But I tell you what. Oops. Did you sign up on the website, UHL Noise? Night, Aaron. If let me know if you sign up on the website. I'll shoot you some quarters for an apology, and we'll make sure that does not happen again. So let me know if you sign up on the website, and I'll shoot you those quarters. If you wouldn't mind, if you go to arcaded.tv, it's super fast. Just register real quick, and I can shoot you some quarters if you want. If you don't, that's cool too. Hey, what's up, Torched? Torch Platey Pie. That is a pretty cool name. Hey, Mondu, I'm just signing off, man. But I'm glad you got to pop in for a second.